In today's video, I'll show you how to use coupons in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you want to offer discounts, run promotions, or reward loyal clients, coupons are a great way to encourage more bookings. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, decide whether you want the coupon to apply to appointments or to packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions. For appointment discounts, go to the Appointment Type section and select Coupons. Then click New Coupon for Appointments. If you want to create discounts for packages, gift certificates, or subscriptions, open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section and choose Coupons. Next, create your coupon code. This is the code your clients will enter during checkout to receive the discount. After that, choose the discount type. You can offer either a percentage discount, such as 10 or 20% off, or a fixed amount discount, such as $10 off. Now decide how the coupon can be used. You can allow unlimited use, limit it to one use per client, or set a maximum number of redemptions. You can also choose which appointment types, packages, or services the coupon applies to. If you want the offer to end automatically, set an expiration date for the coupon. Once everything is configured, click Save Coupon. Now share the coupon code with your clients through email, social media, your website, or any marketing campaign. When clients book an appointment, they can enter the coupon code during checkout to receive the discount automatically. Before launching your promotion, test the coupon yourself to make sure it applies correctly and the discount is calculated as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created and used coupons in Acuity scheduling to offer discounts and attract more bookings. And that's how you use coupons in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.